everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor, Muhammad Hasnan. Today, we are going to be talking about a very informative and important topic. As you all know, our classes are beginner level. We are having a beginner level classes schedule in which I'm having some classes that will help you out. It isn't hard, it isn't advanced. It is enough basic so that any kind of person, even an uneducated kid or even an uneducated person, can understand it way more easily. It's so much easy and anybody can understand it. So let's get into the video. So today's topic is, as you all know, how to introduce yourself. Today is that topic that we all love, and we all are always getting confused whenever people ask us, "Who are you?" And there is one disappointment on our face that when people say, "You cannot even introduce yourself," and they laugh on us. This is a very embarrassing moment for my classmates in my school. So I usually give them the same tips that I'm going to give you people today. So today, with me, Muhammad Hasnan, and with our brand new topic, how to introduce yourself, let's get into the video. Our number one thing, the most important and the obvious thing is, of course, your name. What is your name? It may be Ali, it may be even my name could be there, like my name is Hasnan. It may be Jawad, it may be Ahmad. It can be anything. Nobody knows that. So it's way more easy. So what is the statement for that? My name is Muhammad Hasnan. This is old. Nobody likes it. So let's have a new one. I'm Muhammad Hasnan. This is me, Muhammad Hasnan. Today, I'm here, Muhammad Hasnan. Today we are going to be meeting Muhammad Hasnan. Today I'm going to take your class, Muhammad Hasnan. This is Muhammad Hasnan. There are way more things. Some are for introducing others, some are for introducing yourself, and some are for introducing your passion. Like, this is me, your teacher, Muhammad Hasnan. So this is now including your topic. This is now including your profession. That what is your profession? What is your profession? This includes that. So now let's go ahead from our name. So now when you say, "This is me, Muhammad Hasnan," I usually like to say, "This is me, Muhammad Hasnan." So on number second, it comes with residency. Whenever my teacher asks me, please, like usually it's an embarrassing moment for my seniors, but mostly my school seniors aren't that good at English. And some of them cannot even introduce themselves. And that's why I thought that this topic is very